Choosing a phlebotomy certification? This guide compares NHA, ASCP, AMT, and NCCT on the facts that matter. When choosing a phlebotomy certification, it's tempting to look for a simple ranking of which one is best. But no official neutral dataset ranks them by employer acceptance nationwide. A better strategy starts with facts you can verify for your own situation. First, check if your target state requires a separate credential. Then, identify the eligibility route you can actually document. Finally, confirm which exams local employers or your training program accept. This approach ensures you choose a credential that works for you. The NHA Certified Phlebotomy Technician, or CPT, has specific hands-on requirements. To qualify, you'll need to document 30 successful venipunctures and 10 capillary or finger sticks performed on live individuals. This is in addition to completing an eligible training program or having relevant work experience. For the work experience route, NHA currently requires at least 1 year of work within the last 3 years. This makes the NHA CPT a strong fit for candidates who can provide clear documentation of these recent hands-on skills. The ASCP Board of Certification offers the Phlebotomy Technician Credential, or PBT. What sets it apart is its 7 distinct U.S. eligibility routes, each with its own documentation requirements. For example, one route is for graduates of an AACLS accredited program, while another is for those with 1 year of full-time clinical experience. Other routes accommodate existing medical professionals like nurses or certified lab technicians. This variety means you must carefully match your specific education and work history to one of ASCP's published pathways. For the AMT Registered Phlebotomy Technician, or RPT, eligibility often comes down to the hours you can document. AMT publishes several routes, including ones based on education, work experience, and instruction. The education route requires at least 120 didactic clock hours, while the experience route requires 1,040 hours of phlebotomy work within the last 3 years. All major routes also require documenting 50 successful venipunctures and 10 skin punctures. This makes the AMT RPT a great option for candidates who have detailed records of their training or work hours. The NCCT National Certified Phlebotomy Technician, or NCPT, provides a range of pathways for different types of candidates. You can qualify as a student or recent graduate of an NCCT authorized program, or through routes for registered apprentices, experienced workers, and military personnel. The experience route requires 1 year or 2,080 hours of work within the last 5 years. Importantly, NCCT uses state-specific forms for documenting critical skills, so you must use the correct form for where you trained or plan to qualify. Beyond eligibility, consider the exam itself and the long-term maintenance requirements. The exams differ in length, from 80 questions for the PBT ASCP to 200 for the AMT RPT. Renewal cycles and costs also vary significantly. NHA requires renewal every 2 years, while ASCP and AMT use a 3-year cycle with different continuing education and fee structures. NCCT requires both continuing education and a fee annually. Make sure you understand and accept these long-term commitments before you choose your certification and pay the initial fee. The best phlebotomy certification is the one that aligns with your documented experience, your state's rules, and your career goals. Don't rely on rankings, rely on your own research. For a detailed breakdown of all 4 credentials, including links to the official test plans and eligibility pages, read the full guide on openexamprep.com.